Welcome back everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to use your Vibe blender to make homemade falafel from scratch. You'll need to be a day ahead for this recipe because you do need to soak some dried chickpeas for 18 to 24 hours before you start making this recipe. I've already done mine and they're ready to go. It was just 2 cups of dried chickpeas soaked in plenty of water because they do double in size. Once that's done, we'll get rid of the water, strain them and rinse them, and then they need to be really dry to move forward. Now you'll need to wash and dry some fresh parsley and some fresh coriander. You'll need about 1.5 cups of fresh chopped parsley and 1 cup of fresh chopped coriander. Then you can mix together your spice mix to keep aside. In a small bowl, mix together 1 teaspoon of baking powder with 1.5 teaspoons of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of ground coriander, half a teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper, half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, and 3 teaspoons of sesame seeds. Now over to the blender. Peel and chop an onion into segments that will fit through the hole in the blender jug lid. Remove the filler cap from the lid and secure it onto the jug. Select nut mode and toggle the speed to the lowest setting. While the blender is running, drop the onion into the jug 1 piece at a time. You'll hear the blades shred and then run quiet. Turn the blender off and now you can add your chickpeas, 4 cloves of crushed garlic, and your fresh herbs. Secure the lid and insert the tamp. Select nut mode and toggle the speed to medium. Blend and rotate the tamp, pushing the ingredients down into the blades for around a minute. Stop to scrape down the sides of the jug and under the blades. You're looking for a crumbly texture that resembles coarse sand. It's important not to overblend into a paste or hummus-like consistency. Transfer your mixture into a large bowl and add your dry spice mix. Use a spatula to combine and then cover the bowl and refrigerate for at least an hour. Use some spoons or a small scoop to help form the mixture into whatever shape you like. Small balls or flattened discs are fine. Get creative, do it however you like it, it's all good. The mixture will be delicate but should hold together. Don't compact them too much, you want to keep them light. Place the formed falafel onto a tray lined with baking paper. Prepare some neutral oil for deep frying in a heavy based pot. Place over medium-high heat and bring it up to around 180 degrees Celsius. Carefully lower the falafel into the hot oil in small batches and fry for approximately 3 minutes or until they are deep brown. Remove them with tongs or a slotted spoon and transfer to a plate lined with paper towel. So there you go, homemade falafel made in the Vibe blender. So easy and the result is amazing as you can see. These are great for any time of day, breakfast, lunch, dinner. You can have them hot, warm, cold, however you like. You can freeze them for later. Check out our blog online for more recipes and tips and tricks. If you haven't already, then hit subscribe to see more of our Luvele life recipes. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a like for us. We'll be back very soon with another Luvele recipe.